Hello, loves. I'm Bree. Welcome to Ink on Paper, where we plan for home, business, and entertaining. Hello, everyone, and welcome to Bree's Project Book. So today we are going to do something a little different. We are doing a plan with me today, but we are going to be working on customizing your own half sheets. Now, you could take any Happy Planner note paper and just cut it in half and you have a half sheet. Or you could just basically purchase half sheets from the Happy Planner. They have them in all colors and variety of styles. Here's an easy way. You could just cut it in half. So we just pretend like this is in half. And you have a half sheet. Now, if you want this a little bigger, then you cut it a little bigger. It all depends on what fits your needs. And that is the benefits of having a customized Happy Planner or a customized half sheet. In my case, I love doing half sheets. I just do them and just put them aside until I'm ready to use them. So I want to share with you how do I go about creating my own customized half sheet. This is the half sheet that I created. It has a header up here. My daily sheet today is, and on the back it has it a little bit smaller so I have more room on the back, and pretty simple. I just used 32-pound white sheets of paper and cut it to 4 inches wide. But it is the same size as a Happy Planner piece of paper. So we're going to get started and we're going to go ahead and decorate this and customize this to however fits my needs. So the sticker books we'll be using today is the Happy Planner Memory Keeper Wild Styled, black and white, sophisticated florals, and Planner Words Letters by Kelliver Plan. As you all know, I always pull all my stickers and prepare a sticker packet here. So we're going to go ahead and take everything out and pull them out so we can have everything ready to apply to our half sheet. So we have our stickers front and back. We have some dots, some DIY lines, sticker paper, and we have some decorative sticker paper in here for the fall. Above the today, I will add a weather sticker. It may change, but for the video purposes, I will place one here. Next to the today, I am placing a label for the day of the week and a header sticker that says Hello Today. And like I said, I love doing these because it's very relaxing to me. I can do a number of these just by having my favorite television show on, and if I can place the sticker on here correctly, my favorite television show on, and just go with it. I can make quite a few of these. One of the few things that I like that relaxes me, especially on a Sunday. We have our place to put our write in things that we want to remember for that day. So these are our top 3 things that we need to do for the day. And I'll be doing these periodically, giving you different ideas how you can customize your daily half sheets. This is just one layout that I have, and that works very well. And I only use these daily half sheets when I really have something that is a day that is going to be quite busy, and these half sheets for me, does a great job on it because it has all the, why in the world? I can't see. This is why you need to use the tweezers. Because it gives me a focus so I won't forget anything. Okay, so we have our checklist that we're going to place right here at the bottom. So the check box is for any miscellaneous errands or to-dos that I would like to list here. And now we are going to add a little wording up here so we have some sort of header. So we'll add that on top. Along with the header, I'm adding another sticker that says today's focus, and this sticker points down to the checklist. So that's so far so good. I think I like how that is. So we have a spot where we can put things that I want to remember. We can put the day of the week, today's date, or whatever date I decide to use this. We also have 3 priorities here that we want to complete, if nothing else, on that day. And then we have a checklist for whatever else or errands that we need to run. So that is our front sheet. So we're going to do the back. So what I want to happen on a back sheet, I want to divide it up the day between morning, afternoon, and evening. So I created a sticker that I can go ahead and divide my day up, and we're going to go ahead and place that on here. Now this is a large sticker, so we're just going to place this on here a little bit at a time. I think that is good enough for me. Alright, so this is my horizontal sheet on the back, and I can basically do it like I do a horizontal planner and plan out my day. Okay, so we're going to divide up this last box into 3 for morning, evening, or morning, afternoon, and evening. So I'm just drawing some lines on here to divide our categories. And we have labels that says morning. So we will stick that on here. I'm going to get used to these tweezers if it's the last thing I do. I normally put them on with my hand or my fingers, and I got these tweezers because I was told it make things easier. And I'm still trying to get used to them, so bear with me. If you see me using them and see me not using them, it's because I'm trying to get used to these tweezers. It's not something I use or think about using. I'm thinking about getting the other kinds, the one that you pinch and they close. I think they work a little bit better. Alright. So we're almost done. So we'll add a little decor here. But, yeah. Thought I needed to add something else, but we'll see. We're going to add a little decor on here. Says a wonderful day. That works. And then we're going to add a little banner that says make this day count. And I believe, everyone, that is it. I think now we're just going to decorate this a little bit. Since it is fall, I have some fall stickers, and we're going to add some of these stickers in here. Now, I will put all the things that I'm using for this plan with me today in the description box below. These stickers came from Art Digital online Etsy shop, and it's a digital download. So it didn't cost a little of anything. And we are going to see what we can decorate. Alright, so let's start from the front. So we have some leaves here, and we have some more. Then we have some pumpkins. That's interesting. So I am going to use the pumpkins down below here. So we're going to go ahead and peel that. So let's do a dry run to see how everything looks. And hopefully it will be good and I won't change my mind. So let's turn over and see what else we can put on here. For some odd reason, I want this tree on here. I keep adding this tree. It seems like I want this tree on here. That's too big. Okay, after all that contemplating, I decided to put it here. I think that's what we're going to do, guys. This is the wrap. Because I could be at this all day trying to figure out how I want to place these stickers. I know I want some fall stickers on here, and I want this bottom part to be covered up because of the raggedy edges. And we're going to put this last little leaf. I had another leaf. I guess it must have blew away. I don't know. I don't see it anymore. I think that is going to do it, guys. I'm not going to put any more. That's it. Okay, guys, put in the comments what you think about my half sheet. I hope I've given you some ideas how you can create your own half sheet. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.